Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing essentials so setup moves fast. Install the Roblox account manager from the App Store and open it once installed. Next, gather each account's email, password, and two-factor authentication method. This prevents pauses later. Grant required permissions, storage for backups, notifications for alerts, and background refresh so sessions stay alive. Once done, tap Add Account to begin. This first step gets you into the manager quickly and avoids common lockouts when switching accounts. You now add accounts and configure how they behave. Tap Add Account, enter the email and password, then input the 2FA code when prompted. This establishes a trusted session. Make sure to label each entry so you instantly recognize main versus alternate accounts. Then open Settings and set session timeout values and auto-login preferences so you control security versus convenience. Once configured, test switching between two accounts to verify cookies and tokens. Finish by verifying all accounts work and backing up settings. You should run a login check on each account, then export an encrypted backup of credentials and manager settings to cloud or local storage. Make sure automatic backups are scheduled so updates aren't lost. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache, force stop, and reopen to re-authenticate the failing account. That resolves most token or cookie mismatches. If issues persist, remove then re-add the account while keeping backups handy.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.